Welcome to the 10th tutorial in the InterMine Python tutorial series. This tutorial will talk about how you can perform enrichment calculations on lists that you have access to. Enrichment means that the feature, geoterm, domain, occurs for those genes more than would be expected by chance. It is calculated using the hypergeometric distribution, which is described further in the InterMine documentation. Enrichment widgets are useful to find items such as geoterms or publications which are associated with your gene list more than would be expected by chance. The InterMine service has various widgets that can perform different functions. These widgets are stored in a dictionary in the service class. To view all the widgets for InterMine, we can use service.widgets. Here we can see the output. If you want to view only those widgets that are related to enrichment, you can filter based on the widget type. Here we use a Python loop to print all the enrichment-related widgets. Now, we can get a list on which we want to perform the analysis using the list manager. The getList method here returns a list from the service by name, if it exists. To perform any enrichment analysis on the list, we can use the calculate enrichment method. The arguments include the type of enrichment. This has to be one of the widget types shown in the widget list above, and the maximum p-value to show. Here we store the results in a variable named r. Then we iterate through r and view the results. In this output, we can see a set of publications for which this gene set is enriched. That is, genes that are overrepresented in the publications. In the next tutorial, we will talk about how you can combine two lists easily in InterMine. Thank you for watching.